Here is the result of the trade. I'll break it down for you so you guys can understand how the strategy works. So you can catch trades like this one. This is a really big RR trade here. Up $1,000 in it already. So let's break it down step by step so you can understand it. Step one, find the last low that formed that leads to a higher high. So we're just looking for where's the last low that formed that led to a new high. So if we look here at the low, so what is a low, right? This is a move down and it should be a swing low at the least. So if we imagine this is candlesticks, you have a candle down, maybe another candle a little bit lower, and then another one like this. It usually looks like this is a swing low. You have a low to the left, lower low, higher low to the right. So if we look here, where did this last take place? That would be right here. This would be your last swing low here, which you can use multi-time frame analysis to help with that. If you drop down to the 1 minute, it becomes even more visible, and you can still use these as well. So it's not this low because this low did not lead to a break of that high. This was the last high that went above there, right? So then you move it over, then you have this high right here. So we would just look back and say that it was this low right here. That's your last strong low, the last low that led to a new higher high. So at this point, as it breaks down, you then put your fib from the high to low there. So you have the 70%, right? You enter right there. I got in a little bit late on it. That's all right though. Stop loss goes above the high, target the low. In this case, it's not the best risk reward ratio because of my late entry. But if you had gotten in right here, it becomes even better, right? But if you enter at the 70%, you have to risk at least to preferably the high, but you can risk just above the 80% there. Then it becomes a little bit better of a trade. We then have it being a 3R trade. So step two is wait for the break of that low. So we had that right here. And at this point, you have a couple different options. You can wait, you should be waiting for that. In this situation, I waited here hoping that this would then retrace up to there. That never happened though. And that's okay because you actually have a couple different, you have a continuation version of this trade. So if you wait for it to break the next low there, you get the break from that high, and then you would just repeat the process for the continuation version. And then boom, right there, risk just above the 80%, target the low, and you get the 5R trade. And then eventually it does the bigger move, which is the trade I'm in now. You eventually get the bigger move here. So right now, I'm gonna be looking for price to probably retrace here so I can add in more to my position and take this even lower here. So hopefully this helps you. And then step three is just you enter and put your stop loss. It's a really simple model. Once you understand the market structure of last low that leads to a new high on this consolidation here. What's he freaking out about? One more example here. Let's look at this. So we have a low here. Did this low lead to a new high? No. So it's not that low. Did this low lead to a new high? Price then does that? No. It's this low. So you wait for that low right there, which it never gave you a very deep retrace. It was kind of the theme of today. There's not very deep retraces right after that first break. Eventually we get it, but on a bigger scale, but not right off the bat. So this model is going to help you identify when you should be bullish or short by understanding the strong highs and lows and how they form and how they're usually going to be respected and give you this trend, right? So on a low time frame, this move right here, you can do it on microstructure like a low time frame like this, which is really where it's probably the most valuable. So if we look here, where's the last high that led to a new low? That would be on the microstructure, that would be this high right here. So you should be on a microstructure looking for shorts until this high gets broken. Once this high gets broken, you then should be bullish for this little move up here. And still you didn't get a very deep retracement, but if you continued the pattern here, you have a new high form there. So then you would just put your fib from that little swing low there. And then you get a nice deep retracement where you could have entered right there. Stop goes below that low. And then you target the high and you get a nice little 4-hour trade. And continue to be bullish on the lower structure until it breaks that last strong low right there. And then at that point, you would be looking for bearishness if you wanted to trade it that way. Here is the result of the trade that you guys saw me take here. So we have the entry there, we have the stop, 5-hour trade, and target hit here. So one time frame is about to end here. If we get a close above the 3-minute candle high there, I'll go ahead and cut it. So we have this here, boom, this other account, so 4,000. Then I also took it on this account. I cut it early though because I have consistency rules in this account, 548. So here we have a really big move. Trade was caught. I also took it in SPY options that are now up 243%. Not too bad, right, guys? Really easy strategy that you guys can implement right after you watch the video, right? So I have a second video on this YouTube channel. It's this video right here. I don't know why you're not jumping on that video there, because it literally, that's the model that I teach in the videos, the same model I entered in on this. It's the same one that allowed me to catch this trade this morning on the live stream. Same exact model that caught this move here. Same strategy, same setup, same everything. So this was a 5-hour trade, I think. 6-hour trade right here, right there. 5.8-hour trade on that. So you guys I don't know why you're sleeping on it. Watch the video, guys. And this video, I also break it down for you as well. So if you're interested in getting funded, guys, check out my website. It's verifiedfundingcompanies.com. And then you go to the discount page, that's the best discounts. If you want to trade live with me, which I do every single day, just about, you can join my Discord for free. And then Tuesdays, I stream live for everybody. But if you want to join the paid membership to stream with me live every day, you can do that. Full course, full community, beginner's guide, everything you need from a community to get it started and start making some money in trading. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the charts. Exit the trade now. It's broke the 1 time framing. Peace out.